starting from now. It's simple that money is not everything. But you will go in our God. Actually, it's simple that money is not everything. But you will go in our God. Papa, Professor, he can go to one day. Listen, what is not a Britain, but he will not go. Better man said, look it up. Actually, when you're taken by surprise, but whenever nobody that can sing for the person, sing for myself. Yeah, baby, come on. I'm full of study. This everybody is not a Britain. He will not come. Money is the root of evil, and energy. They not come. So they will save you from poverty. They will make you salary. Even though the country will want to. Nigeria, every 2 people, they look at the guy. Look it out. Fabulous dancing chalet.